We're going to talk about 5 manufacturing revenue growth actions we all need for 2020. And this is from manufacturing.net. Do you happen to know what one of those might be?
I would say one of them would be calling maybe past clients, asking them for referrals, or finding out why they don't do business with you anymore.
Not on the list.
Well, it's still a good tactic.
I know. No, I agree.
He just wanted to buzz you. He was really
Nothing
aggressive
brings
with
Jim
that one.
joy than to try to prove me wrong.
Wrong. Okay, moving on.
Juan, I'll just share them with you. Confirm a growth strategy, which is what we all do. We do that in Making Chips, right?
Yep.
Through our ERS. We set quarterly and annual growth strategies, right? Vision for the company.
What if I were to tell you that's wrong?
Well, I don't believe it is. I mean, I guess it could be wrong,
kidding,
but
go on.
No,
it's a
not.
great way. It's a great way to set a
No
vision.
buzzer went off on that one.
Yeah.
2, appraise the current value proposition. So what is your value proposition for your customers?
Yeah,
right?
that's actually one of our rocks for this year.
Yeah.
Kind of going through a.
I think you need.
We actually have a tactic for doing that, which we could do a future episode about. It's kind of profound. It's the most easy, profound thing that you could do.
Manufacturing leaders need to effectively manage 2 interconnected pipelines. 1, an opportunity pipeline, and 2, a product development pipeline. Now
That's
that makes sense, right?
Yeah, I don't think a lot of manufacturers are developing their own products, but
Yeah, no.
it's definitely something to think about.
4, evaluate talent of the first line sales managers. So that would be, I would say, just look at your sales managers, evaluate the ones that's leading, your leading one. It says the first line sales manager, an acronym, FLSM, is the most important job in the entire manufacturing organization. Recognize that these individuals are the connection between the company's strategies and the execution in the field.
That's like exactly what I just got done doing in Detroit.
Yeah.
So I travel with all my regional sales managers and go on customer calls with them and see how they do. And
you're
so at least
rating
I'm
them.
doing one thing right. Yeah.
And lastly, fix the parts of the sales compensation plan that are broken.
I'm definitely not doing that right.
Let's see what they mean about
We're
that.
working on our bonus incentive plan for not only our sales staff, but also for the entire team. And I actually batted a lot of ideas back and forth with Phil from Orbit Forum, who was on a past episode of Making Chips.
Yeah.
So
It says, know that sales incentive compensation is one of the most powerful and dangerous alignment tools in your kit. Used properly, it ensures strategies and jobs aligned to seller behavior. If there are obvious broken elements, artificial pay caps, or inappropriate metrics in the current plans, use this tool to send a signal to the sales force that sales compensation matters and that you are investigating the pieces that are broken. So that makes a heck of a lot of sense to me.
Yeah, this one book I read said compensation and complacency start with the same 4-letter word. And it's like, if you feel like you got complacent salespeople, you might need to look at how you're compensating them.